Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals Zero to make the best game ever. Good, last session I was contemplating how we want to implement this scripted state change. Yeah. I hope what we did now makes sense. I think it is complete, or is it not? Scripted state 0. It's not 0. Rotate. Oh, we still have something here. Right. I think we can do this question mark at script state, scripted state, otherwise remove. Let me just do if this, that else. Okay. Waypoints at Do we really need this remove? Yeah. Technically, yes, if it's a one-to-one change. Then here for these guys, we can also do a scripted state. Then here we do has scripted state. Okay. doing scripted camera. Scripted states. It's doing. Who's using this function here? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Stop doing scripted camera. Hmm. It's doing scripted camera. Maybe. So this function is currently called at all sorts of locations, right? Yeah. Right. Stop doing. Hmm. Does it even need to be a virtual function anymore? It's only used inside view. It could be a private function, right? Same as this one. It doesn't need to be public anymore. Hmm. 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 Yeah, do we want to go with that or not? I don't know. Remove scripted state. Yeah. It's quite a big change. In fact, it's a bit annoying. Mm-hmm. Camera arrived at waypoint. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. I'm still not sure if I should go with these flags. It's a bit annoying. No. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So we have these guys. Also move this here. Mm-hmm. 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 Scattered state. Scattered state 0. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go through all of them if we made no mistakes here. So remove, yep, remove, okay. Hmm. But there's a, oh shit. Oh, yeah, it's quite massive. Hmm. 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 Remove, yeah. Rotate, remove, add, move, remove, okay. Blah, 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 doing zoom, pitch, rotate, Scripted state. It's scripted state. Okay, I think you can go with this, yeah. Change doing booleans to flags, bit flags. Let's see if that still works normally. Oh man. You say? Oh boy. man. I don't like the flags thingy because it makes the code a little bit more complicated, but it allows us to do things on adding or removing flags, so I guess that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so far it looks like things work, so that's good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, looks like things still work. Let's look at the intro sequence. Speed it up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, I think this is fine. Mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Then next, I think I already committed, yeah. Then next, let's revisit the scripted camera thingy here. So stop doing scripted camera. Mm. 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 Remove scripted state. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, is so okay, the first thing I would like to do is rename it to stop scripted camera. And then do we still need this function here? I think we do. Is finds. Mm-hmm. Is scripted camera. Mm-hmm. So if we remove that, we also need to remove it from Word Builder. Then we remove these guys. Then we remove these guys. And so it's a stop scripted camera. Then we take these two functions and we move them down here. Here. Make this const. Scripted camera, stop scripted camera. Set control by user. Does it really need to be a virtual function? Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's remove this and this. Make it set control by user. Let's move it on here. Yeah. Maybe we move this above here. Let's remove some of these lines here. No need for so many. Okay. Scripted camera. Yep. View. Okay, it looks good to me. fail. Stop scripted camera. Oh. It needs to be a virtual function. Okay, that's unpleasant. Aha. Mm-hmm. Aha. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Well, that's unpleasant. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Maybe we should leave it as it was. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, then I guess we get that back. Yeah. Let's reset all of this. Reset. Reset. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. How about we rename this to is user controlled? Is user controlled. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then we go to here. Then we rename this to set user controlled as well. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Prefactor, set user controlled function. Okay. Okay, so we have now applied a bunch of fixes and tweaks and improvements, and now the next step after this would be to again break this out and make it a single change just for the user controlled aspect of things. Break this out and make it a separate change that we can then merge to main branch. Because obviously right now we have this huge change with all sorts of nonsense in there. Oh, we already did that here in the fixed scripted camera state. But that was lacking. Okay. I don't think I will be doing it this session. Maybe we do it next time. Yeah. So we will have to merge this one here. Remove redundant void parameter from function declarations. Redundant void parameter from function declarations. Remove superfluous void arguments. From functions. Single void. Remove superfluous single void argument from functions. Redundant void, it says here though. What a nice redundant void arg. Excluding tools. Oh, it does say redundant. Okay, well then we use redundant again. Okay. Redundant void arguments. Of redundant void arguments from functions. Okay, then we will merge it, and then we will have all sorts of merge conflicts afterwards. Yeah. Oh boy, it feels illegal to merge this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, what else is pressing here right now? Let's take a look at this one here. Mm-hmm. And I don't know. What the hell is that bullshit here? Bullshit. Bullshit. What scenario is this possible? Let's clean this up, he says. Okay, let's see. Fix, prioritize, HQ. Get string. User machine. User machine. Yeah, always right to. Mm-hmm. 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 So there are only two places that write? Is that right? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me see. Set string in registry. There's one. Yeah, okay, these only these right, okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Always right to that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Prioritize. Registry reads and writes over HK log machine to avoid bugs to avoid bugs, problems. Right, it's an actual bug fix. It is user facing. Prioritize. Prioritize the reads and writes. To prevent inaccessible information, accessible data. Okay, I think we can approve that. Okay, what else do we have? Has valid transfer file content. So I guess he moved the things, right? Superfluous, right? Superfluous new line. Edit. So common file system include target, transfer file type, blah blah blah. Okay, blah. Yep. Blah blah blah. Okay, very good. Validates transferred file content in memory before writing to disk. Okay, blah blah blah. We looked at that before already. Yeah. Okay. Blah blah. Validate file memory before writing to disk. Duplicate comments. Can be removed. Already has it here. It's good enough. Okay, I think that's looking good. Yeah. Yeah. When this is merged, can you make a follow-up refactor and merge this logic with the new stuff added below? It looks like this function can be greatly simplified. Basically just get transferred file type. See. Mm-hmm. 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 So the transfer file content. Mm-hmm. Okay. Other than this, it looks good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. What is this? Name key generator is used in lots of places to provide a unique value for unique strings. Creates a hash for a given string, stores a hash internally, and returns a monotonic sequential ID associated with that hash. Sign store, upgrade center rely on name key generator to provide a unique ID for the objects that they store. This way, whenever a sign or upgrade is used, a client only has to send the ID to the other client and not the full name. Aha. As a result, signs and upgrades must have the same ID for all clients. Aha. Or the game will mismatch. Mm-hmm. Given the sequential nature of the name key IDs, this means that sciences and upgrades must have been hashed in the exact same order. Yeah, that sucks. There are two issues with this. Reordering the signs or upgrades internally in the ini files breaks the ID order. Yeah. Inserting new, even if unused sciences or upgrades in the ini files breaks ID order. In theory, it should be fine to put new items at the end, although that has other consequences. Yeah. The science store are far from the only classes, and more importantly, they are not initialized right after each other. This is what the internal name key ID values are currently during the initialization. Oof. Mm-hmm. 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 Originally, these three things were hashed here, but this was removed. Mm-hmm. 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 Hardcode this 3 strings to keep the ID in sync with retail. Only the increasing of the ID is important here. Mm-hmm. 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 Hashing this 3 dummy strings ensure that the first hash for upper sinister the name key as retail expects from. Unfortunately, hard coding the IDs doesn't work for modded files. Oh, I see. This became apparent after this replay started to mismatch. This mod expects the 3 strings to have IDs. Because this is so early. I see. I see. That's unlucky. A superficial fix could just add 3 dummy strings after the initialization. Probably do just that. Mm-hmm. 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 Very good research. Yes, filling up. Filling up the 3 dummy strings after the science store. Looks like a good compromise. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, so by the way, with the with this big refactor merge now, let's see if I have any changes that I need to update. Let me see. Let's test these 4 here. So this guy is okay. This guy is not okay. This guy is also not okay. And this guy also not okay. Okay, let's update those 3 branches. So we go to main. Yeah. Let's do a remotes, fetch and prune. Changes to TSH comments. So let's pull. Okay, that was a big change. Then next, next we go to net refactor net packet. Rebase. Okay, conflicts. Okay. Oh boy. Get player mask const. Yeah. Okay. Great. Const. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Great. Next. Okay, that was easy. Much appreciated. Okay, that went well. Push. Okay, that's that. Next. Refactor, okay. Then next is this one, new intro. Solve conflicts, okay. Okay, so blah blah blah. Okay, what did we do here? We added a reset function. Huh? Reset? No, we added. What did we do? We added a draw function. Game client draw. Okay. Right. Init update draw and reset. Init update. They draw and reset. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Push. Mm-hmm. And special power. Let's see what's going on there. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, that was fine. Mm-hmm. Aha. Hmm. Okay, what happened here? Oh, I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. I don't see what was changed here. Shared and sync. What? Why is this red? What was changed there? I don't understand what has changed here. It looks exactly the same as this one. What is this? Huh? What has changed here? There must be a difference between this one and this one. But it looks exactly the same. Since a new module module that has changed. Okay. I see. We just accept this. There we go. There we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Failed. What? What? Why is this failing? Let's press N. Oh boy! How do we get out of here? What is this? Oh, now we got past it. What is this? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Man, another conflict. Oh, what is it this time, huh? Oh boy. Must be another typo fix in the comment somewhere. Right. Or null PTR, yeah. Aha. Aha. So I guess we take here null. Yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh man, how much is the... What is this? Man. I hope that is fixed now, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, that branch was 333 commits behind. That's quite a bit. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one has built. Okay, great. This one also has built. Fantastic. This one is building. Okay. Okay, I think I will end it here. There has been 1 hour 13, 14. Then the next session, I will break out this fix. Actually, hold on. We also need to rebase this guy. Let me go here. Let's do a new branch, of course. Work in progress camera 7. Yeah. Then we merge. We go here, we do a reset current branch to here, mixed. Then we take all this and do a work in progress camera 7. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. And the rebase. And that will probably give us a shit ton of conflicts. There we go. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Zoom limited. Mm-hmm. Okay, there we go. There's more. Oh boy. Void. Mm. 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 Oh boy. Oh. Mm. Mm. Next. Okay, that went smoothly. Okay, that as well. Yeah. Next. Okay. What do we have here? Mm-hmm. Void. There we go. Next. Oh. Void. Yep. Oh my goodness gracious. Mm. 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 Oh. Man. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, let's save that. Next. Oh. That one was removed. Why? Get Y, XY extent we removed? Well, it's here. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Okay. Fantastic. Fantastic. Mm. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Yeah. Match the big refactor. Removed. Void arguments from functions. This can cause many merge conflicts. Be aware. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, we have compile errors. Fantastic. Fantastic. Mm-hmm. Oof, what happened here? uh, okay, to me it looks like we didn't merge this correctly, but it should be simple enough. We just delete that and that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay, there it compiles. Fantastic. Work in progress, camera 7. Let's go. Okay, fantastic. Then I think we're done here. And well, and here I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.